Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore your SafePal wallet using your recovery phrase. If you've got a new phone or removed the SafePal app and want to access your existing wallet again, these steps can help. First, open the SafePal app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on Add Existing Wallet. Now you'll be asked to create a password. Enter a password that you can remember, and then enter it again to confirm the password. After that, you'll see the Import Wallet option. Tap on it to continue. Now you need to enter your recovery phrase. Carefully enter each word in the correct order and make sure there are no spelling mistakes. Once you've entered the recovery phrase, continue with the instructions shown on the screen. SafePal will verify the information and restore the wallet associated with that recovery phrase. After the restoration is complete, check your wallet to make sure the correct wallet information and assets are showing. If you're restoring your wallet on a new device, remember that the recovery phrase is what gives you access to the wallet. Never share your recovery phrase or private key with anyone, and don't enter it into websites, messages, or unknown apps. Also, don't show your recovery phrase while recording your tutorial. Keep it completely private. And that's it. These are the simple steps to restore an existing SafePal wallet using your recovery phrase. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SafePal tutorials, app guides, and tech tips.